Welcome, Mr. Parvathisan. How are you today?
Thank you. I'm all right, sir. I'm quite all right.
Okay. Tell us about yourself. What are you? Where are you from? And how old are you?
I came from Tirupati. I'm 83 years old, senior citizen.
Very good, sir.
For the last 6 months, I have been suffering with pain in my right leg.
Knee.
Today, I have taken PRP treatment by Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam.
Any pain?
No.
Oh. See that fluid is coming? This is fluid from the knee. Now you will feel better, sir, because all the fluid is coming out from the knee.
How it is formed?
Because of wear and tear. I have taken about 7 ml. More is there. More is coming. See. Now your knee will be little relaxed. You're okay, sir?
Okay.
Now I am going to discard this fluid. No, nothing. No, this is PRP. Okay. PRP is going in. No pain. No pain, no? Is any pain?
No pain.
Nothing. Huh? PRP has gone in.
ఎలా ఉందని అడుగుతున్నారు.
I am all right.
How was the procedure, sir? How was it?
Procedure, they have taken some 10 ml blood and from that plasma.
PRP. Platelet-Rich Plasma.
Plasma they have taken and they have injected that into my knee portion.
Okay.
Now I am feeling much better. I am happy and now I am happy now.
Good. So you are able to walk up to 1 kilometer or slightly more than 1 kilometer before.
Yes.
Now with this PRP treatment, hopefully you should be able to walk better.
I expect so.
But overnight there will be some pain. Today there may be some pain increase.
Okay.
So I recommend that you use ice.
Ice.
And take some paracetamol if required.
Okay.
From tomorrow you start feeling the improvement.
Okay.
And you will be able to start walking better.
Okay,
so,
thank you.
In the way of activity, I would suggest that you stay indoor and walk indoors or inside your house and around your house for the next 2 or 3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks. Okay.
Then when you feel much better, then you can start walking in the town.
Outside.
Like going to the market or temple.
Okay.
But don't climb the stairs to the temple. Go by bus or car to the Tirumala temple.
Okay.
That is because you are living in Tirupati and you may want to go and see the Lord every now and then.
Okay.
Right, sir. Thanks for coming. So, from Mr. Ravi, so I'm going to ask you the procedure. This is Mr. Ravi. Is Mr. Parvathisan's grandson who has witnessed the procedure. So what was your account of how did you find the procedure?
The procedure was quite smooth. The treatment is also quite quick. I mean, Sir Venkatachalam sir has also responded quite quickly and proactively, and we are quite happy with it.
Okay. So, all the best, sir. Thank you very much. And keep in touch. You know how to call me. You can contact me on my phone. If there's any problem, let me know. But as of now, only paracetamol and ice. So you drive back safely. Use ice.
Ice treatment for 1 or 2 days.
That's it.
That's enough.
That's enough.
Okay.
Right, sir. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Namaskar. Namaste.
Namaste.